Hey, excuse me. What's your full name?
My full name is Lamia Jaman. You can address me Lamia.
Okay.
What is your full name?
My full name is Nusrat Jahan Afrin. You call me Nusrat.
Okay. Where did you come from?
Actually, I came from Khulna Bagirhat. Now I live at Mohammedpur.
Ah.
Where are you from?
I am from Faridpur. Now I live at Mohammedpur in my study purpose.
Okay. Can you describe your hometown?
Okay. I will describe my hometown. My hometown is Faridpur. It is
Okay.
a very old and small city. There are many famous places, and we are celebrating festivals in my hometown. There are many famous places like Joshimuddin's house and Mathurapur Deul and many old templates. You can tell me about your hometown.
My hometown is Khulna Bagirhat. It's located at Khulna in Bangladesh, and my hometown is very historical places like Shad Gambuz Mosque, Khanjan Majar, and Sundarban is nearby my hometown. I would like to say something about English fantasy environment. Actually, it is a amazing place for us. It helps our improving in English.
Okay. Where is your college located?
Actually, my college is situated at in Khulna Bagirhat.
Okay. What is your major?
My major is economics. Hey Lamia, what is your major?
Okay. My major is child development and social relationship.
Okay.
Why are you learning English?
Actually, I want to go abroad, but I can't talk to speak in English. That's why I'm learning English, and I came here English fantasy, and now I speak in English in fluently.
Okay, I got it. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you, Nusrat.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Thank you.
Take
Allah
care. Allah Hafiz.